The best web hosting for affiliate marketing needs to be dependable, ensuring it doesn't go offline and cause you to miss out on commissions. It should also load quickly to please your website visitors and contribute to better search engine rankings. And additionally, it should be reasonably priced to keep your initial expenses low. Considering these factors, I've created a video to reveal my top web hosting recommendations based on my experience as an affiliate marketer for over 8 years. When discussing affordable web hosting options, Hostinger stands out. For only $38.28 in the first year, you can create up to 100 websites, exceeding the needs of most affiliate marketers. And each of these websites comes with an SSL certificate, ensuring trust from visitors and avoiding browser blockages. To present a professional image and be reachable by brands, Hostinger provides up to 100 professional looking email addresses. The process of creating these emails is simple, and you can link them to Gmail for convenient communication. To prevent the loss of your hard work, Hostinger offers weekly backups. This is crucial for marketers who frequently tweak their websites. Despite its affordability, Hostinger includes a free domain name, which usually costs around $10 separately, and a free domain who is privacy to protect your identity from affiliate competitors. Hostinger maintains fast loading speeds, especially if you optimize your website's page size. The hosting provider's 24/7 live chat support is quick and helpful. However, there may be additional fees ranging from $20 to $40 for certain heavy tasks like uploading a database exceeding size limits. Regarding refunds, Hostinger offers a standard 30-day money-back guarantee, but keep in mind that the cost of the domain name, approximately $8, will be deducted. If you decide to sign up for Hostinger through my link, bensexperience.com/hostinger, available in the description below, I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. Your support is appreciated and helps me continue testing products. Thank you. I've tested DreamHost for months now and found it recommendable for several reasons. Firstly, their pricing is attractive. For just $35.40 in the first year, you can host an unlimited number of websites with free SSL certificates. DreamHost surpasses Hostinger in certain aspects, such as offering daily backups instead of automated weekly ones only. Moreover, they provide a generous 97-day money-back guarantee compared to the standard 30 days. Keep in mind that, like Hostinger, the domain name is non-refundable, so postpone registering it until you're sure about your decision. Another advantage with DreamHost is the seamless migration of existing WordPress sites over to DreamHost. I have personally tested this feature, confirming that you can move your website without touching databases or configuring files. On top of that, my website experienced zero downtime. DreamHost offers a free domain name and domain privacy for the first year, matching Hostinger in this aspect. However, DreamHost falls short in certain areas compared to Hostinger. Their live chat support is available for only 16 hours a day, unlike Hostinger's 24/7 availability. Additionally, while site loading speed is acceptable, it's not as fast as Hostinger's. If speed is your top priority, Hostinger may be a better choice, unless you're interested in my DreamHost $0 deal. Yes, I have a special deal where you can get DreamHost shared hosting with a free domain name for just $0 for a year. How this works? Step 1. Visit DreamHost using my link bensexperience.com/DreamHost. Step 2, pay $35.40 for a year of their shared hosting. And the last step is contact me at ben@bensexperience.com to get back $35.40 out of my commission that I receive from DreamHost. This way, what you've paid for becomes free for you. If you want in-depth information about these two hosting providers, check out my Hostinger review and DreamHost review videos from the description below. That's conclude this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.